Welcome to the Lunchbox fam. Let's walk you through everything that you need to know about your new Festy Bestie, the Lunchbox Hydration Pack. We'll chat about the features, give you some fam-only tips to get you ready for your next festival or adventure.
So what do we mean by anti-theft? Well, the zippers are not externally facing on your pack, which means that they're against your back when you're wearing your pack, and they're covered by this flap. And all external zips lock into each other to deter wandering hands and to keep your belongings safe while you dance the night away. For your trusty phone, we have dedicated mesh pockets on each shoulder strap that keep your phone within arm's reach at all times. For added security, you can add a Lunchbox Lifeline tether to your order. And the pack itself is built to last for years to come. Our black and white packs use top-tier nylon, and the clear pack is made from a durable vinyl. Both are cut-resistant, water-resistant, so whatever the night throws at you, you're covered.
The single most unique thing about this pack is our patented water refill system, where you can refill your water without ever having to take your hydration pack off. Simply take the strap off your right shoulder, swing the pack around to the front of your body, undo the clip, unzip the pocket, and pull the bladder out slightly. Open the bladder and refill away. Our bladders are anti-leak and they're stored in a dedicated insulated water bladder pocket. And if you're always thirsty like me, consider our 3-liter bladder upgrade. Our standard bladder option that comes with all of the hydration packs is a tried and true screw cap model, but we also stock a thumb lock model for those who prefer a different type of mechanism, which you can purchase on our website.
The bite valve has 2 modes. Flip it on for your standard bite and sip, or switch to free flow mode, switch to on, rotate the blue part clockwise, then apply a little pressure to the bladder area to get the water flowing. Festival goers and adventurers alike love that the Lunchbox Hydration Pack is customizable to match their outfits and vibes, whether they're heading to a music festival, theme park, outdoor activity, or traveling. Our interchangeable skin system means that you can easily change the look of your pack simply by zipping on a new design like this. We have dozens of skins to choose from on our website, and if you're crafty, you can even create your own with our DIY skin. And if you really want to stand out, string one of our light show wires through the elastic loops on the outside of the pack. Start by placing your battery pack in one of these interior pockets, connect the light show wire like this, then thread the wire in the elastic loops to create your own unique design.
This pack may look small, but it packs 8 liters of total storage. Starting on the outside, there's a side pocket perfect for a hand fan. There's also 2 elastic straps where you can easily clip carabiners with candy, plushies, or perlers. Each shoulder strap has 2 mesh pockets that can be used for your phone, sunglasses, diffraction glasses, or other items. At the top of either strap, you can find a little hole that you can thread a charging cable through to keep your phone juiced so that you don't have to miss out on any memories. With 6 interior organizational pockets, every item has a place. Wallet, keys, chapstick, gum, earplugs, other festival essentials, and even trinkets. And the last thing you want to worry about after a fun night out is losing your keys. So we put a nifty keyring clip in the bottom compartment so that it's safe and sound. Here's a pro tip. If you buy some merch or have a pashmina with you and don't want to carry it, you can create a makeshift pocket underneath the skin like this.
For some added stability, you can put your pack in sport mode by clipping the sternum strap like this so that your pack doesn't bounce around while you're moving and grooving. Did you know that there's a whistle built into your pack? On the sternum strap here, you'll find this little guy that comes in handy if you ever need to call for help. Pro tip, if for whatever reason you don't ever need to use the sternum strap and find that it's in the way, well, it's actually removable. You can slide it on and off the shoulder strap from the top here. It's sewn at the bottom, so it won't slide off from below. Built for long days and even longer nights, the Hydration Pack features breathable cloud mesh padding on the back of the pack and on the shoulder straps, delivering soft, ventilated comfort even during high-energy movement. It's comfy on both clothing and bare skin alike.
Bag policy stress is real, so we designed Lunchbox with that in mind. Most festivals cap you at 2 compartments plus a water compartment, but here's the thing. Because the bladder lives in an insulated bottom compartment, that counts as 1. So the entire pack technically qualifies as a single pocket bag. We've done the homework, so you don't have to. ClearPack users, this one's for you. Before you head through security, just unzip the stand and tuck it into the side pocket so that your pack is openly clear. and then zip it back on once you're through for a little privacy in the crowd. Our community has taken their Lunchbox pack to just about every major festival you can think of. So if you're not sure about a specific festival's policy, shoot us an email at fam@itsmylunchbox.com and we're happy to look it up and walk you through it.
Now you're all set. The only thing you have left to do is to get out there and break your new pack in. Tag us on social at Lunchbox Packs wherever your adventures take you, as we love to feature our fam. Welcome to the Lunchbox fam, and we'll catch you at our next meetup or on the dance floor.